Hey there, I'm Reese Mark Dennis Phelan, and welcome to another Meanwhile Adventures video. This one is very special, for me anyway. See, as you know, I belong to the small race of people, which is growing at an alarming rate, of course, nowadays, and there's a lot of racial prejudice against them. I am part of the clown group. Yes, I know it's hard to believe, but Reese Mark Dennis Phelan, he's a clown. So here, if you want to be a clown too, and join me and help support us, I will be teaching you how to do some clown makeup. So first of all, here we just have some. I'm not sure if you can see that. We'll do black. It's easier to see. We have some Snazaroo face paint. It's actually fairly high quality, surprisingly. And first things first, we get our sponge, and we just we get it. It's a little wet as well. Of course, that's just easier for it to spread out. We start to spread the white paint across our face because the majority of clowns follow the rule of being white-faced. Not to say that you can't. Some clowns are, they don't paint their face white. They just have the clown facial features, big red lips, and whatnot. So, yeah. Of course, I prefer to have the white face. It's the basic clown, and I like to pay homage to our forefathers. This is the famous clown look. So you just want to get it nice and spread. I can't really edit it, I'm not good at editing. So you're going to have to watch me put it all on my face, unfortunately. Actually, we'll be back in a minute when it's all done. Okay, and we're back. Now, I'm obviously a lot more white, and I feel my face paint is fairly evened out. So this is kind of what you want to do. Of course, if you have better face paint, you can fill it more in, but this is fine enough. You don't even have to have it this nice. So, next step I like to do is red. You like to get the red in. Now what do we do at red? We'd like to do our lips. So, get ready for the lips. Since we do not need a lot of red for the lips, because I'm going for a more, classic Joker kind of vibe for my clown, we will just be using lipstick. My mom actually works in a pharmacy. She works the makeup part. So, and I like to, this is fine as it is, but I like to spread it out a bit more. Doesn't matter if it's crooked. I like the Joker. Now this is pretty good for a clown so far. In fact, you could call this done now. Let's see. I'm not going to do that. I'm not done yet. Another thing with clowns is they like to have their makeup around. They like to have makeup around their eyes, and for that I like to use black. But blue is also good. Blue is good. Not for me. I don't know where my blue face paint is, but I have black, so we're going to be using black. And so we're just going to dot it around our eyes. Oh god, I made a mess. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. I mean, I'm kind of go for a more messy feel anyway. I like the Joker. I'm a big DC fan. Well, not DC, Batman fan. So we like to go messy. I like to get a messy clown, eh? So, you just mess around. And, yeah. This is almost completely done, to be honest. It's just a little bit of a clown. What can I say? I look pretty swanky. Why so serious, Batman? So, this is almost done. If you're going for a Joker vibe, done. No more. But, of course, I like to pay homage to our forefathers, and what is a very famous thing I'm missing for the clown? I do not actually have one on me, so we're going to have to paint it on. And this is where our red paint comes into use. Clowns have red noses. It's a common thing. Us clowns like to have red noses. Not me, particularly, but the red nose is an icon, and it works very well. So we will just be giving ourselves a bit of a red nose, and I just need to wet up the sponge again. We're back. So you can have a little small nose. This is actually almost suffices. Yeah, there's your red nose, but I like to have my nose a bit bigger. Not like Tig big, but I like to have my nose big. We actually get a lot of racial prejudice as a race, as clowns. It's not very nice. A lot of people dress up as us to mock us, or they use our name as an insult altogether. It's not very nice. I'm like, no, this is practically done. You are a clown. You, sir, are a clown. Obviously, I'm a clown. But if you followed this as well, you're also a clown. What to do now? I suppose you rock your clownness. Or you, wash off your face paint. But see, I'm a clown, so I will be going to, I don't know, the circus? Oh, that was a bit racist, actually. No, I'll probably be washing off my face paint. I don't want to get attacked in the street for being a clown. You know, we get called all sorts of things. So, thank you for joining in our video, and this is Reese Mark Dennis Phelan, and thank you for joining in on another Meanwhile Adventure video. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment on what you think, or even follow me on Twitter at Reese Phelan or HYSPHELAN, and send me a picture of your clown makeup. I'll like and retweet and follow every one of you that do. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Ah, yeah. Bye.